We are now at the Kuala Lumpur International Airport Terminal 1. I am at the airport viewing area where you can see lots of plane flying, and it is currently 6:30 p.m. In another couple of hours at around 12 a.m. midnight, I will be taking a plane to Perth. That is a Malaysian airline airplane, and it looks quite stunning and beautiful. This area is quite clean. Look at the floor, it's so shiny. These are the McDonald's delivery robots passing by. These robots are quite smart and they know how to avoid people. Let's see where they're going now. It is now 8:30 p.m. and you can see the windows outside. It is getting dark. The McDonald's robot is in front of us, walking towards the other place. Not sure where is it going. Hả? 要等很多人的时候。All the lights have now been switched on, and look at that, it looks so bright at this point of time. Oh. There are still lots and lots of people here waiting for their flights and waiting for the family to go depart out to other destinations. This shop is Little Malaysia and they sell lots of Malaysian gifts. I will be heading to the boarding launch very soon, and it is a different area and it takes a while to reach. To get here early because the airport is quite big and it will take a while before you reach the places that you need to reach.
哪里 plan 去？
哦，簡單實際，要去 Australia 了嗎？
那这样，那你可以自己看。
剛才你哪裡拿水？要啊，要這個。這邊不可以拍的，不好。After getting the passport check and now entering into the boarding area, there are a lot of shops here too. Oh, 認真，如果回來經過再。哇，這邊很亮哦。
還要去 get 什麼
？It is almost 9 p.m. and there are still lots of people in this terminal. 我去裡面看哦，廁所哈，在那邊。Okay. 你去廁所哈。哦。The gate that I'm going to board is at C11 if I'm not mistaken, so you need to take a bus to head to this area. Adventure 你 passport 拿好了啊？这个好像 international 啊。像 KK 也是会有一个，上次我们去和 international side 的。This is the international boarding area for most international flights. 好像我来过。是什么？Acepro。哇，多鸡蛋！哦。快呢。The first impression of this area is this area is quite stunning. Lots and lots and lots of walking, so be prepared to walk a lot if you are going to fly around here, but it's going to be quite fun. It's around 9 p.m. another 3 hours before the flight. 那边后面31啊，可是可以这边看看还很久。OK， 回去。人呢？走去哪里？那你可以这样过来，过来。
很远的，不要乱。
懒惰走了。哈哈哈。31，那边下的噻，那边下的噻。Thank you very much for watching. We'll be continuing the next part. 哇，也是很大哦。那这边比较 high class 一点啦。
讲着，
可是好像关了哈。啊，31，要 check C 31啊。啊，等下要那一项，那一项下去。哇，这个你看 hologram 哦。哦，那用那风扇了，OK。
咩啊？
那 hologram 啊。